These are the best shoulder pain treatment at home. If you are experiencing shoulder pain and want to treat it fast, here are 4 different ways to relieve the pain. Soreness, stiffness, and tenderness are some of the most common types of shoulder pain. Fortunately, patients can often remedy their own discomfort from the comfort of their own home. Below are 6 at-home remedies to help relieve shoulder pain. Method number 1. Take anti-inflammatory medications. Designed to reduce inflammation, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDS, are a first choice for many patients with mild shoulder aches, swelling, and pain. Whether taken as needed or regularly as part of a daily routine, NSAIDS may be found over the counter or prescribed by a physician. However, patients with underlying conditions, such as high blood pressure, should consult a medical professional before treating shoulder pain with NSAIDS. Method number 2. Regularly stretch the shoulders. Starting with a short warm-up session, a typical shoulder stretching routine includes multiple exercises designed to alleviate tension and build muscles, which helps to minimize injury or re-injury. In between each group of stretches, patients are often advised to take a periodic break of 10 to 30 seconds. Before undertaking any physical therapy or regular shoulder stretching routine to treat pain, however, patients should consult an orthopedic specialist. Method number 3. Temporarily apply ice to the area. From cooling creams to homemade ice packs, cold temperatures may help to minimize swelling in the early stages post-injury. Filling a plastic or reusable bag with ice and wrapping it in a thin towel, for example, is an effective and time-efficient way to create a cold compress at home. Applying the towel-wrapped ice bag to the shoulder for up to 10 minutes may relieve mild shoulder pain. Method number 4. Try introducing heat to the shoulder. While extremely high heat can aggravate the skin, a warm shower, thermal gel, or heating pad may help to relax stiff, sore shoulders. When using heat in the form of a compress to relieve joint or muscle pain, however, it's important that patients limit exposure to 10 minutes at a time. Still experiencing shoulder pain? For cases of acute and mild shoulder pain, at-home treatments may be a highly effective treatment option. Patients with severe or chronic shoulder pain, however, should consult an orthopedic specialist to better understand the cause of their discomfort and the potential courses of professional treatment. You might also want to try 6 home remedies for shoulder pain. The most common causes of shoulder pain are rotator cuff issues. A rotator cuff is a muscle group that helps to hold the ball and socket shoulder joint together. They also help control the movements in the shoulder. The small rotator cuff muscles can become irritated. This can produce tendinitis. How to get rid of pain from pulled muscle in shoulder? Shoulder pain can have many causes. There are many ways to try to help. Shoulder injuries are common from daily activities in everyday life. A pulled muscle in the shoulder can cause shoulder pain. Reaching overhead, lifting a suitcase, and putting on a seatbelt are all activities that may cause discomfort if you have a shoulder injury. If you have pain in your shoulder, here is a list of 6 home remedies you can try. 1. Over-the-counter nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory medications or NSAIDs. There are 2 major generic types of NSAIDs, ibuprofen and naproxen. Both used to be by prescription and are relatively safe to use per their labels. Brand names include Advil, for ibuprofen, and Aleve, for naproxen. Use only if approved by your physician. 2. Apply heat to your shoulder. A mild hot shower can accomplish this on your shoulder for about 5 to 10 minutes. Often patients have shoulder pain from sleeping. A good hot shower can certainly help with this pain. Or you can use an electric hot pack. If using the electric hot pack, set on medium heat, not high heat level. Research shows us that our bodies respond to medium heat levels better than intense heat levels. Also, microwave pellets or rice hot packs work well at home. 3. Apply ice to your shoulder. A cold pack inside a pillowcase for 10 minutes can be significant. Ice massage is also an option. Ice should not be left in direct contact with the skin for over 5 minutes due to the genuine possibility of frostbite. 4. Stretches. Stretching the muscles that encompass the shoulder joint can help with your pain and possibly prevent future injury. Muscles capable of moving freely through your shoulders' natural motion will not have the constant stress that tight muscle experiences. 5. Salt bath. This is definitely old school but has some recent merit on television with Dr. Oz. Fill a bathtub with warm water and add Epsom salts. Soak immersed in the tub for 10 to 15 minutes. The salts are soothing to the skin and very relaxing if you are experiencing more cramping pain. You can also add essential oils to the bath as well. 6. Massage. Get a family member to knead your sore muscles. If you are very independent, find a sock and a tennis ball. Put a tennis ball inside a sock. Place the sock and ball at the back of your shoulder where it is sore. Now, against a wall, apply pressure to the tennis ball, and roll around, thus giving yourself a massage. If that doesn't prove effective, you can look into visiting a sports massage therapist. Natural cures of inflammation. You can reduce inflammation in your body naturally through your diet. Some foods that naturally reduce inflammation are olive oil, fatty fish, such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna, tomatoes, fruits like blueberries, strawberries, oranges, and cherries, nuts, like walnuts and almonds, green leafy vegetables, such as kale, spinach, and collards, celery juice or beet juice, herbs and spices such as ginger, cayenne, cinnamon, and turmeric. Adding these whole foods to your diet and cutting out processed foods will naturally reduce inflammation in your body. Having a healthy, balanced diet of whole foods, fats, carbs, and protein will boost your body's healing process. You should limit your alcohol intake, sodas, caffeine in excess of 2 cups per day, and nicotine. Get plenty of rest and ease into an exercise routine that you enjoy. Healthy habits such as walking, yoga, and Pilates are appropriate for all levels of stamina. Essential oils can also be used for pain, tension, and swelling. Essential oils are derived from therapeutic plants that have natural anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving benefits. Some of the more common ones include peppermint oil, marjoram oil, lavender oil. If home remedies do not help, physical therapy is the next option. Therapists concentrate on the flexibility of the shoulder and implement new exercises to improve mobility. There are multiple hands-on techniques to better the mobility of the joints to treat shoulder pain. In some cases, patients will undergo strength training as a way to treat their shoulder pain. Lastly, electrical modalities such as ultrasound, laser, and e-stim, electric stimulation, may be used to remedy the pain. You can also watch what causes neck and shoulder pain. In this video, you can perhaps diagnose and prevent neck pain. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.